Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing two latest smartphones, the Galaxy M05 and Motorola Moto G45. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Next compare display features. The Galaxy M05 comes with 6.7 inches PLS LCD display and the Moto G45 comes with 6.5 inches IPS LCD display. Hardware features. Moto G45 is powered by the Snapdragon chipset and the Galaxy M05 comes with Mediatek chipset. When it comes to the camera features, they offer 50 megapixel and 2 megapixel rear cameras. Let's compare the battery features. They offer 5000 mAh battery. Next, compare the sound and other features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.